YouTube? Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Tonight we're going to review the GTMedia N4 night vision binoculars. Totally digital, and you could take pictures and record on them. As it says here, 10 megapixel photo, full HD video, and it has night vision. So I'm looking forward to trying these out. See what's inside the box. Comes in an awesome case right here. Got a lot of stuff here. Okay, this is the main binoculars right here. Lots of buttons, very lightweight as well. This is where you look, and this is the front. We have a strap for the binoculars. We have a manual, little case for it. Cloth to clean the lens. Has a charger, USB-A to USB-C. I believe this is the headband that you were seeing on the front of the box. Yep, indeed it's the headband, which is a GoPro style. Attachments for the headband. Has a GoPro type connection here. This is a digital video slash photo taking binocular. Comes with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card, as well as a micro USB 2.0 reader. The user manual tells you all the features. Focus wheel to focus things is right here, so near and far. IR LED, which is this one right here. IR down, zoom out, zoom in. So this turns on your night vision when it's on. This is the power button. But you hold that down and it'll turn on the night vision. And then there's different levels of infrared light. It can get brighter and darker in darkness. That's between these two buttons. This also zooms in if you hold it down, and this zooms back out if you hold it down. So that's what the magnifying glasses are. This is the shot button. I believe that's to take a picture or to start and stop the video taking in the unit. Menu button, there's a bunch of options there. The mode button, so that probably goes between picture and video. Power button, you just hold this down and it will turn on. This is where your SD card goes, and you can charge it with USB-C. A right focus ring right here. You have a left one. This is in case your eyes, like mine, I wear glasses, but you can wear glasses with these comfortably. I've already tried that out. You can adjust it so that your eyes see correctly. That just means that this is where you put your eyes to view it. Photo resolution can be up to 10 megapixels, which is 3,648 pixels by 2,736. You can also have 8 megapixels, 5 megapixels, 3 megapixels. VGA, which is basically 480. Video, you have full HD. It's 1080 at 30 frames per second, or you could have 720 and 30 frames per second. Digital zoom, you can go up to 5 times on zoom. And the file formats for the photo is JPEG, video is AVI. Viewing distance in complete darkness is about 300 meters, so probably about 900 feet or so. Low light or daytime observation distance is 3 meters to infinity. The lens has an f1.2 large aperture. Display screen on the inside is 1.5 inches or a little bit over that, and it's 320 by 320 high definition. The power supply is built in 2,000 milliamp hour lithium battery. I'm going to start it up here, and it starts up, and that's what it looks like inside. And you can see that it says it has an hour and 38 minutes of recording. Look at the menu options. I'm going to click the menu button once like this. It has all your menu options there. You have image size, 10 megapixels. We have full HD P30, which means that's 1080 at 30 frames per second. You could do a screen save, which I haven't read about that yet. Brightness is medium, so you could adjust the brightness of the actual camera. Frequency, I left it at 50 hertz, and the auto power off. I'm going to configure this for 1080p video. If we look inside, see how it's not focused? We'll do this little thing here. You're going to focus on whatever you look at. We're in video mode right there, so it's zoomed in already. If I hold this down, I click it once and I hold it, it zooms in. There you go. So there's the zoom. You just hold it down. I like that it has the red plus, so that way it tells you where you're looking. But obviously as you zoom out to 5, it gets really finicky. And then I hit the zoom out button right next door with my right hand, which is very intuitive, by the way, so that when you're looking, you don't have to look at these. It zooms out. We're going to do some video recording there, so that will start it. You can see that's recording the upper left. It says red, and I push the shot button again and it stops. And again, it shows you an hour and 38 minutes of video to go. And a 32 gigabyte card. The battery level is on the upper right there too, so you can't miss that. And I did set the date. That's basically the display that you see with your eyes, but it comes with tripod mount. It's a little bit after midnight here. GoPro's not good at picking up lights. Pitch black. This is going towards the fire pit. I'll take a look at the fire pit that you can't see down there. Now it's recording video. Hopefully it's recording my voice too, but this is level 1 IR. And the big thing that we're going to focus on is the fire pit out there. So I'm looking across there. The fire pit is right there. See how I'm adjusting the focus button. Okay, let's go to IR level 2. Things come a little bit more defined. Again, focusing slightly. There you go. Level 3. That gave me a lot more light here. Here's the tree, big tree that's there. You can kind of see the details as well. Again, it's supposed to be recording 1080p. Let's try zooming in on the fire pit here. Holding down plus button. Again, we have a red cross here. I'm zoomed in now. I'm zoomed in at 4.3 right now. Not sure if it's going to show that in the video. Now I'm going to zoom back out. Very good. Alright, looking pretty good. I wish there was some deer or something. This is very intuitive to use. Again, you'll have to learn where the buttons are and everything. But once, I mean, I didn't even really read the directions to figure out everything. The menu button goes to a menu. Shoot is to start recording. Mode, you just hit it multiple times, it goes to all those things. And the IR thing, turning it on, upper levels. This goes to the front of your head. And then this is going to attach to the camera. All this is for the headband. I'm going to attach this top piece like this. It's actually going to fit through. I thought that was a thing for a light, but it's not. It's for this thing. So we just slide it in there. It comes with this little turnable knob. We lock it down. It's adjustable that way, so you can pull it in and out. That's so that it fits your eyes where they are. This is the front of the headband. Just going to attach right here. Just like a GoPro camera, it's going to use one of these little screw clamps. Put through the hole on the side. Your eyes are going to go there. You're going to have to adjust this on the top here. So we loosen it just a little bit. We slide it forward until it goes right near our eyes. And then we tighten this down and it should hold it in place. It moves a little bit, but it's not that bad. There it is. There's the bunny rabbit right there. Again, you can adjust the IR level. 2, 3. And let's walk towards it even though it's pitch black. Definitely hear it though, staying still. Look, that's a... If I had to estimate, we're about 30 to 40 feet away from it right now. Again, the 2 hands wrap around the binoculars. Yeah, that's definitely light. We're on IR7 there. You can clearly see the bunny rabbit. There we go. Takes off, going into the woods. Well, maybe not. You can try to speed over there. Then swing set. It's kind of getting towards evening here, but still daylight. We're going to try it mounted to a tripod, so I wanted to show you how to do this. Took the little mounting plate off. Just screwed it in underneath the N4 and it's good to go on a tripod. Here's what the viewfinder kind of looks like with this whole thing. You can rotate it left and right, but you can see that the screen, it has very good quality during the day. Again, this is the probably lowest resolution you're gonna get. Might I also add that the N4s are family entertainment here as Maddie is using them. We have it loose on the tripod to move around and be able to look around. Devoid of wildlife, we have a Maddie in her backyard. She's gonna start walking towards us. This is regular magnification, and then I could zoom in even. And we've spotted a wild Maddie in her natural habitat on the swing set. We could zoom in. Like 3.5 on the magnification level. If we go 5, which is max, you see that's not going to be as crisp, but you can get up there. Now Maddie's staring at me through her telescope on her swing set. And we're looking at her through the binoculars. So if I had to zoom in to keep her in frame, that's about 2.7 magnification. Pros and cons about the GTmedia N4. I think as you can see, they're meant to be binoculars first. Pros. Binoculars, the zoom is pretty good. I like the fact that you have the head attachment, so that way it makes it easy just to wear them if you want to. Very easy to spot animals at night with the infrared. The infrared's really good, especially all the different levels that you have. I think the daytime video is decent. Again, they're binoculars first with the ability to take pictures and video, which is nice to have as an extra. Cons. The video quality. Now, nighttime with the infrared was not that bad. Daytime, it's a little too compressed for my liking. I wish that they went MP4, maybe even HEVC encoding, so that way it would be better. I think that they should have went with MP4 encoding. Pictures, again, IR pictures, not that bad as long as you focus and you got in where you wanted to get. Daytime, lot to be improved upon. Again, it seemed like the compression was really just a little lossy, if you will. It could have been better. But again, remember that these are binoculars first with the ability to take pictures and video. And if you think about it that way, honestly, the GTmedia N4 isn't that bad. And the pictures aren't terrible. The video's not terrible. I also wish that it recorded audio better. I think it's because it's the AVI format and just the way it compresses. So overall, the GTmedia N4, it's not bad, especially if you're just using them as binoculars with the occasion to take a picture or video just to show people what you are looking at. Definitely would buy it if I'm in the market for a digital binocular, again, with those options of being able to take a picture or video to show others. However, I think that if they just took it a step further with the encoding instead of AVI, that this could be a massive binocular with better video, audio quality, and also picture quality. If you would like to purchase the GTmedia N4 night vision binoculars, please look for the link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase helps support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also leave a comment and push that bell notification icon so that way we be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.